Here they are! Number 12 si Isha. Number 14 si Alvin. Megalithal Stars 2009. Will receive their certificate of participation. Of course, our marketing officer, kasama ko dito sa stage, Erwin Elegado. Pala naman natin, Sir Erwin. Isa sa mga promotor nito. At masakay natin yung nakasulat. Ito, palalaminate nila ito sigurado, no? Megalithal Stars Certificate of Participation is awarded to candidate for having participated in the Megalithal Stars 09, May 23 to June 12 at the Food Court Avenue Event Center of Mega Center of the Mall. Given this 12 date, June 2009, Mega Center of the Mall, Philippine City. Signed, Marketing Officer, Erwin Elegado. Our Mall Operations Manager is happy to present him now. Sige, balikan na doon. Sandali, picture pa. Nicole, dali. Balik ka. Picture pa pala. I-picture ma. Ayan, picture. Okay, thank you. Candidate number 3, Aubrey. Congratulations. Next, candidate number 5, Kyla Rain Aquino de Guzman. Congratulations, Kyla. Candidate number 6, Gio Aquino de Guzman. At ako, babae ka kanina, Gio eh. Bigyan buhay mo yung ginawa mo. Candidate number 7, Princess Arcelia Manaloto. Look-alike ni Lucy Torres. Congratulations. Candidate number 9, Andrea Jane Dalde. Next, candidate number 10, Kimberly Saragpon Camos. Okay. 5 years old, candidate number 11, Fiona Marie Maluso. Congratulations. Candidate, okay na. Candidate number 12, Isha Cruz Julia Rodrigo. Okay. So if I were a boy, hindi ka naiyak sa Wawawi. Hindi nakaiyak sa Wawawi. Okay, number 14, Ella Rain. Rochelle Ingalio de la Cruz. Thank you. And palapa uli natin our marketing officer, Erwin Eligado. Now, magbibigay na rin po tayo ng special awards. So, Mr. J.B.